The trading room is a wealth of knowledge. It takes a little bit of time to find your way around it to get the most out of it. First of all, when you're on the home page, all of the major categories and the subcategories are on the left-hand side here. They're also listed on the very left hand. All of the topics, like the latest threads, are listed on the right. You can also select the format you'd like. For example, I've selected categories here, which has this layout, but you can also select latest, which literally just has all the threads from top to bottom, of course with the categories still on the left here. Most people find it easiest to navigate using categories. There's also these options to look at the newest, the latest, ones at the top. You can always play around with that to see which one fits your style best. If you want to see obviously one of the latest topics, just click on it and you'll go into that thread. In terms of the categories, this is where a lot of the hidden information is. There's a USA category, there's an ASX category, but what you see below that is the subcategories. For example, within the ASX category, if you want to have a look at penny stock trading, simply click the penny stock trading and it will go to all the topics about penny stocks. To go back to the home page at any time, just click the Protrader logo and you go straight back to the home page. There's an announcement section, mainly for Protrader staff, site and software feedback about the program, the software program and the forum. Feel free to leave any feedback you'd like. General chit chat about other stuff that doesn't fit into any of the kind of other categories. There's a whole section on Davis box trading. Exclusive videos such as Breakout Wednesday, the Friday broadcast, and other deep dives into other setups. There's a commodities section, psychology section, strategies. There's certain members that place their strategies in here. Versal traders, breakout fanatics, spec hunters. It's pretty cool. There's a whole section on technical analysis. Doesn't matter what you like. Candlesticks, certain patterns. You can find stuff in here if you press the subcategory. One of the coolest sections is the PT Academy, right? It has a lot of information about how to use the software. But if you go into the subcategory guru content, it's all this stuff that we're populating on Mark Minervini, Dan Zanga, Kulamagi, and all these awesome traders. We've got a lot of information in there and there's many hours you can spend learning. Okay. There's endless categories that keep going down. It's up to you to kind of browse through them, spend the time learning how it all works. And, you can spend days and days in there, right, learning about all the stuff that has been posted there since this forum and trading room launched about 7 months ago. Any questions, you're always welcome to email support@protrader.com.au, or, of course, you can just get into the trading room and leave questions and one of our members will answer it very quickly for you. Cheers.